Hey guys, this customer called and said she thinks her ductwork is, someone's told her that the ductwork insulation is falling off, needs to be rewrapped, and she called me to see about getting an estimate to get it fixed. So I'm gonna bring you along and we're gonna crawl into the house. Stay tuned. So far, this looks promising. There's supposed to be a handle here. All right, here we go. Listo, Calisto. That's some old ductwork. My knees are hurting. This ductwork's on the ground. It's not rusted through. That does not look very healthy. What do we have here? There's our return. Everything else looks exactly the same that I can see down here. Now I gotta get out of here. I'm not as young as I used to be. Is there one in here? All right, there's one. Excuse me. Is there another one in here? Okay. Two.
There's one there, and there is another. There's two in this room. There's one.
All right, three.
The other one is somewhere down here as well.
Four.
And, I think one day we redid the bathroom, somebody dropped the ball and didn't put one in here. One was always right here.
Okay.
But something happened and they didn't do the opening.
Okay.
The room's there.
Five. One in there. Five.
Yeah, there's one there.
7.
There's one there, there's one in the bathroom.
8.
I think one there, there's another one somewhere.
Okay.
The vents. Yeah,
Probably back here.
Okay. It's behind.
Okay.
I don't think you're gonna get in that foot out there.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, I was talking with him. There's also one or 2.
9. 10, 11. Okay, that's what I need. Yes, ma'am. The last one in the laundry room. Okay. Well, guys, there are a couple of things I thought I might discuss that you probably saw under the house there. The floor doesn't have any insulation, and that's pretty common around here. Some people do insulate the floor and some people don't. There's a very real debate about whether or not we should, because if you have a crawl space like that and it's mostly enclosed, it does need to be vented, but mostly enclosed, basically saying that a breeze can't blow under there. One line of thought is you don't put insulation because it decouples the house from the cooling effects of the crawl space underneath, which stays about 70 degrees. That is very real and true. And there are other people who say insulate it because during the winter it gets cold down there and the floors feel cold. We don't have much of a winter here, but when it does get cold, I've seen it as low as 17 degrees. Yes, their floor will feel cold. So, yeah, it's debatable. What do y'all do where you live? Do you insulate the floors? Some of y'all are gonna have a basement. So in a basement, do y'all insulate the floors? I know that some basements that I have seen through other people's videos, they actually have conditioned air in the basement. But anyway, y'all may have seen that there's no insulation down there. That's on purpose. And let's address the ductwork. That the backing you see on that insulation, the paper backing on the insulation, tells me that ductwork's at least about 30 years old. I just saw some fish hunting. I don't think they've used paper backing anywhere for the last 30 years. I mean, I could be wrong, but the ductwork, in my opinion, was designed poorly so that the supply has to be on the ground. For example, I had to go around the return and the supply was on the other side. If I were to design it, I would put the supply more towards the middle of the house so you wouldn't have those 20-foot branches where you're going to have poor airflow, it would be preferable to me to run the supply towards the middle of the house and then down the center and have your branches be about equal lengths, because you can take that return and flex maybe part of it and come over the top of the supply right there at the entrance. There's plenty of room for that. So because I would like to redesign it and possibly give them good airflow, and part of the problem that they're having now is likely because they're not having good airflow, I did quote them on replacing their duct system. It's kind of like I know y'all have seen it in the comments where people say, you touch it, you own it. If I go in there and repair the ductwork and 2 days later they come back and say, hey, I still got poor airflow over here. Y'all see where I'm going with this? And besides, I have done duct jobs multiple times where you quote, okay, we're going to replace a couple branches and maybe a return, whatever's on the ground. You get into it and you end up having to replace like 50% of the ductwork that wasn't in the quote, and you have to keep going back to the customer and say, hey, we found something else. I don't like doing that. So I did quote a full replacement on this ductwork. Do it right one time and I think they'll be happy. Put some dampers in there. We can go back and adjust airflow. I just do it right the first time, and that's what my quote is for. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, the ride along. I had another whole video I was going to show of a very simple repair that I did, and my GoPro, the most crucial part of that video, it was corrupted or something and I couldn't use it. So that happens sometimes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? Riley, your butt's on camera. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.